Hey, what's up guys? Today on this video, I will show you top 3 extensions on Google Chrome to get unlimited free VPN. So we will install our top 3 extension for unlimited free VPN and we will do a brief internet speed test on each VPN extension. So let's get it started. Okay, so the first thing you have to do here right now is just go over to your Chrome browser. If you don't have one yet, download one. I will drop a link in the description. So once you're there, you have to go ahead and search for Chrome extension, Chrome, Chrome extension store. Okay, let's just go ahead and Chrome web store actually. And once we are in our Chrome web store, make sure it's going to be on extensions. So here we have extensions. Then you can actually go ahead and search for the extension you want to use. In our case, I'm just going to go ahead and just show you guys because I have already installed those VPN on my system already. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and click on manage. So as you can see, this is going to be the first VPN I'll be talking about here, which is free VPN. This one, I'm going to turn that on. Okay, so this is the details of that. I'm going to be dropping the link of this VPN extension in the description, 3 of them. So guys, this is the free VPN. I'm not going to waste much of your time here. So we are just going to go ahead and test it out so you can see. Okay, let's make use of this one, which is the VPN. Okay, I'm going to disable other extensions so it can run. And from here, just going to go ahead and you can turn on the ad block if you want, or you can just leave it like this. Going to select a location. I'll leave it in France and turn that on. So from here, you can see automatic without wasting much time, it's going to turn on. And let's go over here and test our internet speed. Okay, let's give this time. Okay, it's showing roughly okay 330 Mbps, not too bad for a free unlimited VPN. All right, let's test out the second one on our list here, which is second one on our list here, which is the Hotspot Shield. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and stop this from running. Okay, I'm gonna stop this from running. Turn this off. Okay, so the other ones on our list which are okay, which is this one here, Hotspot Shield. Gonna turn this on and then turn this one off. Okay, from here now I'm gonna go ahead and check out the Hotspot Shield. Okay, next, done. I'll be dropping the link in the description. So from here, let's see what this button does. Okay, not much here. Okay, the free server here is United States. I'm gonna leave it's automatically on auto server. Okay, let's go ahead and select this on. All right, from here now you can see our VPN is now up and running. So let's go ahead and test our internet speed on this website, fast.com, powered by Netflix. Okay, not too bad for a free unlimited VPN. Okay, that's good. So from here, I'm just gonna go ahead now and test out the last one here, which is Betternet Unlimited VPN proxy. I'm gonna turn this on and then turn this one off. And okay, let's go here. So from here now, it's gonna launch, and it doesn't actually have other servers, just United States. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and connect it. Now we're connected. Okay, let's go ahead and test our internet speed. Reload. you can see, guys, the 3 VPN I talked about in this video, they are doing pretty much good for free VPN. Okay, guys, this is going to be the end of this video. If you find the video interesting or helpful, go ahead and give the video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can get more updates when I drop a new video. Drop a comment in the comment section. Tell me which of these VPN you will be using. Okay, guys, see you guys in the next one, and peace out.